More and more businesses are adopting new technologies to digitalize their businesses. Our Infonova digital business platform is designed for service providers who are looking to support them on this journey, helping service providers to build a digital marketplace for B2B solutions, giving them the perfect platform to co-create solutions with ecosystem of partners. Rapidly onboard them, sell, monetize, and grow their business further and faster. Let's see how. In the Microsoft Admin Center, the customers can easily find and select the team's phone offer. Then in the Marketplace view, upon selecting the product, they can explore its details and configure and set it up according to their needs. Instead of navigating the setup process alone, customers can engage in a dialogue with the AI assistant to gain insights into various configuration options or to delegate the configuration tasks based on their preferences. The AI assistant enhances the shopping experience, assisting customers in configuring their products. In the Marketplace back-end view, once an order is placed, it automatically breaks down into its individual components. A detailed breakdown of the order is presented under the Process Details tab. This breakdown shows the status of each component and provides insights into the service provisioning. After the service is fulfilled by the provider, we can close the task successfully . Once completed, the offer is active. In the Microsoft Teams Admin Center, the customer gets the phone numbers assigned to their employees. Thereafter, the phone numbers are available for the employees to use. Beyond Now's digital marketplace is ideal for service providers who are looking to support their customers' digital transformation journeys with a superior shopfront and self-serve experience. Rapidly co-create, build, launch solutions, and scale the business with an ecosystem of partners. Enable partners to onboard, manage, and monetize their products and services via the marketplace and grow their business further and faster.